It's a lady in London here. Today I want to take you around South Kensington on my self-guided walking tour. This area has everything from amazing museums to great streets and parks. I can't wait to take you around. As always, the full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, but let's go around now and see what we find.
This walk starts at Gloucester Road station. It's easy to get to on the London Underground and by multiple bus lines. You can also walk here from other parts of West London. Once outside the station, you'll walk down Gloucester Road. There are lots of cafes here, so it's a good place to get a snack or a drink if you want to. Soon you'll reach Stanhope Mews South. It's not only beautiful, but it's also been used as a filming location for movies like Kingsman. Next, you'll walk down a series of streets that will give you a feel for South Kensington's architecture. After that, you'll come to Mews, one of my favourite mews in South Kensington. Make sure to walk all the way down to take in the houses. Your walk continues on Old Brompton Road, where you'll pass by cafes and restaurants. Next, you'll come to the Boltons. These streets are beautiful and it's worth taking some time to admire the houses here. After walking down a series of streets, you'll come to Thistle Grove. This narrow street is unique in the neighbourhood and a treat to walk down. Your next stop is Cranley Mews, one of my favourite mews in London. This beautiful street has great colourful houses. After Cranley Mews, the walk will take you down a series of pretty mews streets in the neighbourhood. Once you've taken in the mews, you'll be back on Old Brompton Road. It will lead you down to the area by South Kensington Station. There are lots of shops and restaurants around the station, and it's a great place to get a meal or snack as you continue your walk. Next, you'll come to Cromwell Road and Exhibition Road, which are famous for the museums. The V&A, the Science Museum, and the Natural History Museum are all worth popping into. Your walk continues on Prince's Gate Mews, a multi-pronged mews with beautiful, colorful houses. Next, you'll visit another mews with more colorful houses. Your walk continues past Holy Trinity Brompton, one of the most famous churches in the neighborhood. Your walk continues down a series of streets that will lead you back towards South Kensington Station. You can end your walk at or around the station, or continue exploring the local area.
Thanks for coming around on this self-guided walk with me. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you a chance to come out here and see the neighborhood yourself someday. It's a really fun place to explore. Like I said before, there's more on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and you can find the full route and map there. Happy exploring.